everybody, this is Diane with Craftin' with Fury. Well, I am here with a unboxing of some wonderful, wonderful tote bags, and these are from Whisk, and it's WISKF. And anybody that knows me knows how much I love bags. Love, love, love bags. And I've been introduced to them, and I'm just absolutely obsessed. Obsessed. Not only do they carry bags, they carry aprons, all kinds of neat stuff. I mean, good quality bags. And so I'm super excited to come and show you what they've sent me. And I do have a coupon code, and I will leave the link to everything down below so you can go check them out. And if you use my coupon code, you can save a percentage off of your next order. So let's get in here and let's see what they've sent. This first one here has got my initial on it, and it's a D, and it is a polyester cosmetic bag. Look how beautiful. I wish you could feel this. Oh, it is just gorgeous. Look at all that room in there. And it doesn't have to be cosmetics, guys. It could be crafting supplies. Oh, so pretty. And it's so thick. And it's like, look at that, almost 8.5 inches wide. And almost 6 3/4 tall. So that's a good sized bag. Isn't it beautiful? And it's in black and got these beautiful flowers on there. So this is a polyester cosmetic bag, and they call it an alphabet florals. And so you can get your initial on those. So they have all the initials for you. And let's see what this next one is. Oh, guys, look at this. This would be perfect for a gift for Easter. Look at this tote bag. It's the Faith linen tote bag. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Look how big it is. I mean, there's my 12-inch ruler. Huge. Oh, my goodness, that is gorgeous. You could get somebody this to carry their Bible in to Sunday school. Oh, this is a beautiful bag, and big too. Carry your stuff to work. Oh, and look, here's the cross. It says Faith, and it's two-sided. That's a beautiful bag. Look how gorgeous that is. So this is the linen tote bag, and it's Faith. So we'll put this aside here. Gorgeous. I love these. Oh, guys, look at this one. I am set. Love these tote bags. So stinking cute. Look. Life is better with cats. Amen. Look at this. This is another linen tote bag, and it's got these beautiful cats on there. Look at that. And look at the beautiful colors. And it is two-sided. Love it. Look how cute. Look at that baby. And that sweet little baby. Aww. Any of us that love cats knows this was absolutely be perfect for you. All right. So let's see what this one is. Oh. Here is another linen tote bag. Oh, look at this cat. Oh, look at this beautiful baby with these flowers. The big blue eyes. Look at that baby. Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness. And again, it's two-sided. And guys, these totes are huge. And they're very sturdy, so they could carry some weight now. Look at that. Look how awesome. See its eye down there? Oh, I love this. Look at that baby. That is so cute. And here's the last one. Now, not only do they sell the linen bags, that open like this, like an open tote. If I'm not mistaken, yep, this one is a zipped tote bag. And let's see, where's the opening? Here it is. To where if you have some things that you don't want to fall out. Look at this, and this is the butterfly. Look how beautiful this is. And look, it zips. So you don't have to worry about things falling out. And look, it's lined. It's got a pocket in here. Oh, so cute. Look at the pocket. Big old pocket, too. Look at all that room. Look at all that. Hop right on in there. Oh, and look at this pretty gray on the back. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. I'm loving adding these. This is like 13 or 14 inches. Look how big that is, guys. So I have got some more beautiful bags to add to my collection. So guys, I will leave their link down below. And it's WISKF. And I do have a coupon code that if you would love to order, go check them out. I mean, you will not be disappointed. Look at all this gorgeous stuff, and their prices are very, very reasonable. So thank you so very much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. May God bless each and every one of you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.